Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a new competition or an innovation challenge connected in the My Government Innovation page. Swachhta Filmon Ka Amrit Mahotsav National Level Film Competition on ODF Plus. So you have to shoot and share a short film to promote the vision of ODF Plus India under the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 2. So we know that we have already posted a last video on the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. The part of celebration, they have already conducted competition, a series of competitions. So in that series, like there's the next the phase 2 of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin is being conducted. So you have to shoot a short film. This department aims to take forward the extraordinary milestone of open defecation free ODF India achieved in phase 1 of SBMG 2014 to 19. So by sustaining toilet usage and embarking on the path of ODF plus in villages through comprehensive solid and liquid waste management. So the competition will act as massive information, education and communication campaign to raise mass awareness on ODF plus goals as underlined in SGMG phase 2. So they have given, for details they have given the portal, SBM portal and SBM guidelines. So we can check through this portal and these guidelines. So before that we can see the themes of the competition. So the short films or entries are invited for the following thematic categories based on the rural settings and defined under ODF plus outlined in SBMG phase 2 guidelines. So the 6 themes are biodegradable waste management BWM, Gobardhan, plastic waste management PWM, grey water management GWM, fecal sludge management FSM, behavior change. So under these 6 themes you have to shoot the short film, but make consent about this rural settings and the ODF plus outlined in the SBMG phase 2 guidelines. So you have to read this SBMG guidelines properly so that you could understand. If you have any doubts on that guidelines, you can ask. I am ready to answer in the comments. So the award details. National level awardees will be felicitated with certificate and cash award in a national SBM ceremony at New Delhi later this year. So they will be felicitated the cash certificate and cash award. So the cash award for each themes, like 6 themes you have. For biodegradable waste management you have 3 awards. First prize, the first runner up and second runner up. So like that for each themes you have 3 awards. The first prize worth rupees. The first prize receives cash award of rupees 1,60,000 and the first runner up prize receives rupees 60,000 and the second runner up prize receives rupees 30,000. So in addition to these themes, national award will also be given in following 5 location contextual categories for films capturing creative messages on any of the above 6 themes best suited for following terrains. So it should be also suit these best the following terrains, which means desert areas, hilly areas, coastal areas, plains, flood prone areas. So for these categories the awards value will be the following order. First prize receives 2 lakh rupees. The first runner prize receives 1,20,000 rupees and the second runner prize receives rupees 80,000. So the participation guidelines. Let us see the participation guidelines. The competition is open for participation to all citizens or Indian nationals above the age of 10. The institution category, the Gram Panchayats based organizations are also eligible to participate. So in the institutional category, the Gram Panchayats, GPs or the community or the CBOs or the non-government organizations, NGOs or the self-help groups, SGHs are also eligible to participate. Participation should be between 1 minute and 5 minutes. Not more than it should be between this time limit. Your short film should be between this time limit. The entries are eligible in all recognized Indian languages or dialects. So if you belong from Nepali or if you are speaking Punjabi and you have to take a Punjabi short film, you can take in Punjabi. There is no restriction like Hindi or English. You can take in any language. So all languages are accepted. Only entries based on rural settings will be accepted for the purpose of this competition. So each state and UT will be requested to send the best films on each of above level categories to DDWS for national level selection. So they will have a state level selection committee to select the short films from each state and union territory so which will be shortlisted and sent to the National Selection Committee. So the important dates, like the competition date is 16th April and its ending date is 30th June 2021. So you have a pretty long time, so you can share this information or share this video with your friends. So let us see about the terms and conditions. The entries are eligible in all recognized Indian languages, as I already said. So it should not be a copyrighted short film, or every film should have very clear VO, dialogue, music, song, etc. The participant may consider using local geography, issues, themes, music, folk, etc. The participant may also consider using local geography issues, themes, music, folk, or etc. All shortlisted entries to be submitted on the DDWS portal with the district or state login. All the entries must have clear details on participation name. You have to mention your name, contact number, theme, category for awards, which I will just show you the steps to do that. The film has to be uploaded on YouTube with a valid and active Gmail ID. The upload link needs to be filled up in the participation form on the link. So I will provide the link in the description. So this is an important point, like you have to create a Gmail ID, new Gmail ID, and you have to upload and you have to create a channel in YouTube, and you have to upload the video. So in this participation form, you have to upload the link of that. You have to paste the link of that YouTube video, your short film video. So make sure that you paste your short film video. So only it will be you can submit your entry. So the best entries for each team or category received by every state are reviewed by National Committee constituted by DDWS Ministry of Jal Shakti for National Awards and identified teams and categories selection. So the announce of awardees and felicitation will be done at national event in 2021 with cash prizes and certificates. I will announce the date maybe at the end of the 2021. So no request relating to claims of revaluation of the entries will be considered. The decision of the committee will be final and binding to all the entries. Any stage of evaluation, if an entry is found to violate guidelines, so the entry will be removed from evaluation process. So obey these terms and conditions. If you miss to obey any of these terms and conditions, then it will be disqualified. Now I will show like how to participate how to submit your entry. If you are new to My Government, or like if you haven't registered yet in the My Government page, you can go register here. There will be a wording called register, or you will also have login through which you can register. You can give every details in the register form, and you have to come back again to this competition page. So click here. So if you click here to participate, click here to participate. If you have already logged in, you can directly go and click to participate. So friends, now you can see that as I have logged in already, I have come straight to this form page. Here you can see that I have filled my name, competition world. You can give your mobile number here and your date of birth. Here, the correct date of birth. You can select your state, each state, and if you are from Union Territory, then you can select here. Then you can select the theme category. As I already said, there are 6 themes, so you can choose each theme. You can choose the theme which your short film portrays. And in this blank, you have to fill the YouTube link of the film entry. As I already said, how to create a new Gmail ID and create a channel, and you have to paste this YouTube link. So participate in this exciting competition, friends. Once again, I remember you to participate in this exciting competition. If you have really any doubts on this regarding this competition, you can ask in the comment section. Share this video with your friends. It is an important innovation challenge. So long time innovation challenge. The starting date is from 16th April to 30th June. So we have pretty 2 months duration. So you can compete with any others. Thank you, friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.